Welcome. This video is a brief explanation of the website, the StarLogo Nova website, how to get registered, and a little bit about what's in the galleries. So to start with, we're going to register. So we're on the StarLogo Nova splash page, slnova.org, and you can see that there's some information here about StarLogo and such, and we're going to register. And for this, you're going to need a new username and a password, and make sure that you remember what your password is. And for this, the email is optional, but it is recommended in case you forget your login and you wanted to get your projects back. So then you hit submit, and now we're in. And you'll see that a couple things have changed. First of all, it used to be just slnova.org, but now that we're logged in, it also adds this extra information here, Guts Student, which was my login, and so it adds that to the web address. And then also it can show that same information is here, that I'm logged in. You can see my profile and then some information about the username. And you can edit some things here, your username, password, and the email that you're going to use. And here are galleries. There's a private gallery, a public gallery, and then you can actually create new galleries as well as you start making more and more projects, and then you want to organize them in some way. So all of your projects will always start in the private gallery as the default, and later you can put it in the public gallery, and I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to start now with a new project, and a pop-up window comes up. We're going to select blank project and submit it, and now the page is going to refresh, and here we are ready to do some coding in StarLogo Nova. And you'll notice now there is a project and a unique number that goes along with it. So every project that you create has a unique URL, and there's some information here. So it's in our private gallery, and we can put a name to it. And here's an owner. We don't have collaborators yet, and some information there about it. And these are some of the default things that will happen. And this is where you can add this project to my gallery. So I changed the name, and I'm going to put something here. Now, one thing is that the backspace does not work on this. The back delete does not work on that. But if you want to change anything in the description, you're just going to have to highlight it and type it over. Alright, so then we're going to hit save, and this is just sort of a protection. Usually it's auto-saving, but you just want to make sure with this extra save, and at this point we can add it to our gallery. And we get a new pop-up window that comes, and it's already in our private gallery, but we can choose public gallery, select that, hit submit, and its page is going to refresh. And you'll see now that it's in both the private and the public gallery. And if I want to take a look at these galleries, there's a couple ways you can just click on those. Alright, and that takes me to my private gallery, and you can see that it's listed here. Or if you go over to the upper right, the word My Profile, you click on that, and you'll see your other galleries here. The private gallery, and then I had also put it in the public gallery. So these are the same projects, just organized into two different galleries. And we're going to go here and do some other things to this in the future. So we'll sign off now and see you in the next video. Thanks.